Hey guys, it's Josh with Smoking Away for Pennies again, and today I'm going to be talking about the Itaste 134. Okay, so this is the Itaste 134. It's called this because it's actually modeled after the 134 Gatling gun, which if you look up, it's just a machine gun and it looks very, very similar to this device. One thing that's cool about this device is it's one of the few out there that is actually, it's not variable voltage, but it is variable wattage, and there's no digital screen on it. It is just simply a turn of this knob to adjust your wattage. Right now I'm vaping on about 9 watts, and that's probably where I'm going to keep it. So the first thing you'll probably notice about this device whenever you see it is actually the size of it. It is a lot larger than, I'd say, about 99% of the mods on the market. If I take my ZMAX Mini with a Vision Eternity on top and compare it, you can see that the ZMAX is actually just about the same size with the Vision Eternity on top of it, as you can see right there. Aside from this being a massive device, let's talk a little bit about durability. This thing is pretty much a mod inside of these metal tubes right here. The mod itself is actually very durable, but since they actually did add all this tubing right here, it did make it a lot more durable. So this is going to pass just about any drop test you put it through versus other mods. I would recommend taking very good care of it, not dropping it, but if you do, it's probably going to hold up a little bit better than, say, normal ZMAX would. So when you have the Itaste 134, you are going to have to use one 18650 battery, and it is preferred, well, actually recommended, that you use an IMR 18650 battery. So right now I'm going to put this just normal IMR 18650 battery right here in the tube, and then the bottom piece right here, whenever you screw it in, it's actually going to push this connection pin down a little bit. So whenever you're screwing it in, ultimately you're going to want to push it in and then start screwing, because if you just set it right on top, it's not going to go all the way down. So all I'm going to do is just give that a little push, start screwing, and it should go right on in. Once you've got your battery into your device, you're going to want to turn it on. And this pretty much works like an Ego battery or an Ego CE4 battery. It is a 3-click on, 3-click off mechanism. So I'm going to click this 1, 2, 3 times. You're going to see a few lights glow, and then after 3 lights glow, you're going to be ready to vape. So we have our battery in and everything, and we have our device turned on by the 3-click on, 3-click off mechanism. And as you see, whenever I power it, which by the way, this will only fire for 10 seconds, and it has the 10-second cutoff prevention, just like a ZMAX or things like that do, no volley. Something you're going to notice aside from that is actually the colors you see whenever you press this button. Right now I have a fully charged 3.7 volt 18650 3000 mAh IMR battery inside of here, but whenever this starts to die off a little bit, get below maybe half charge, these lights are actually going to move up here, and then they're going to turn yellow. And that's going to be a medium charge. You're getting kind of close to dying, but you're not quite there yet. Now, whenever you see this top light glow red, that is when you need to change your battery very soon. You only have a few more puffs until you actually have to change it. So that's how you tell your battery life. Another cool thing about this device is actually that you can remove the drip shield from around the 510 connection. As in, say you have a Kangaroo Pro Tank Mini and you want to stick it down in there, but it won't fit because it goes around the lip. All you'll have to do to actually make that fit on there is take this off, and then your Kangaroo Pro Tank will actually fit around right here just fine. And if you're not sure what this drip shield is, this is actually to prevent any leakage from the tank or addy or cartomizer that you have on top of it. They will leak sometimes, and whenever they leak, they'll go down in that little hole and it'll keep them there. Say you have this removed and you have a tank on top of here and it starts leaking, it's just going to go out and just go all the way around your device. So that's just a little something that they threw on there just to keep it clean. So that is the Itaste 134. It's a pretty simple device. It's really easy to use, and it vapes really good. I've been using it for a week or two now, and I absolutely love it. I recommend picking one up for yourself. Check them out. Check us out online, and see you later. I'm Josh Ward. Thank you for watching.